Okay, I just watched a compilation of dogs sneezing, and I cannot stop laughing. This golden retriever literally sounds like a motorcycle starting up. And then there's this tiny chihuahua whose sneeze is literally bigger than its entire body. But wait, this bulldog takes the cake. The jowls just flap everywhere. Like, how's that even possible? The snort-sneeze combo is my personal favorite, though. Pure chaos in under 1 second. If you need a laugh today, go search dog sneezing right now. You're welcome.